On Adapted Mind Reading, stories are
should be live now. Internet connection is terrible. Also, my microphone is a little not loud enough. Today we're using GENG, at least trying to. Alignments. More examples. Read a few examples. And hopefully my internet connection will repair. Actually, we can't really do anything. Vectors. Meridian. Angle struct. Computational. Close equals. This is from Numcrate. Redbox. calling another function. Just for that. We have points arranged in a circle. Vector point. This is the first point. Music is louder, maybe. When I've migrated to hyprland, I got way bar and controls. You've seen my OBS because I don't have second monitor. I have second PC to run Twitch Stream Manager, but not second monitor. I haven't started anything. I'm just reading examples. Why is this excluding last point? Because it's handled here. Only my OBS. Oh. Wow. Means my screen capture is broken. This should fix it. Yeah, hyprland is a little weird. To me. This is called slurp. Polygon strip, textured polygon strip. Loop. Yes. Normal. I can't understand this line. Stream is laggy probably because my internet connection is really bad. I don't know why audio is fine. My internet connection is like really bad. 90% of frames dropped. I hope this will fix itself soon. What is VT? Why it's not called UV? Let's maybe try it. Also, it uses state. Why? Okay, I see there is this. So I can draw triangles, which is good. It's my goal. Why is this? In assets. Let's do one. Assets. Us. Make repeated. Sure. Let's call it. What stream element says is actually doesn't work because I don't have my overlay. I can launch it. Old one. Mount. Yeah, hopefully it will work. Also, what stream element says, operated by quotes. I tried to pick random out of all of those. Repeated. Wow. Built-in Rust also impacts my stream so much. You will have to give an argument, and you have to wait until my overlay builds. Unfortunately. What does this say? I wonder why there is run state. Like, why? What does it do? Draw. GitHub. Can you say interface with what the traits are? Draw fixed update. Fixed update. Update, fixed update. Why this reminds me of Unity so much? Transition, UI, on draw gizmo in Unity. Empty state, box of state. Overlay building. Let's try it without state. You don't need fixed update in every engine. Only two engines I have saw that have fixed update are GENG and Unity. Does it have to be lowercase? It's not repeated. What's so laggy? I wonder how do I limit cargo, core, and job count. Godot has maybe Godot has a lot of stuff. I have like tried it, but I haven't wrote any code actually. Because I don't like game engines. For physics. Well, I'm using for delta time for physics. It's bad, but all my projects, including games, overlay, my Game Boy story. Wow, okay, there. See, let's see. Oh, wait. Actually, I can roll back. I don't need this. Cargo lock. I don't need this. Really stuff. When I migrated to hyprland, I saw some interesting changes in Wayland protocol, and I tried again to make interactive overlay. It has global keybinds, but it doesn't have global events. I have to use this file. I don't have to edit this file. I migrated to hyprland, I saw global keybinds, and actually with window rules, since hyprland doesn't support almost any feature, like pass through, you have to do it with window rules. And if no focus window rule was dynamic, I already had overlay interactive. but it's not dynamic, so I have to close and reopen window. PD2D has a huge problem with it. And I decided, because I don't participate in Limlar Gem, why not I try use GENG for my overlay. I want to use my overlay, which is blocking my interactions. But you can probably write a Twitch command and it will hardly hear you. Yes. It's a little broken. Means I need to edit window rules. My code just crashed. My Visual Studio Code just crashed. I have my window rules, and I don't have my no focus one. No for some title manipulations to get it working. Now to switch on manager with flakes, and then it should work. This to with frame buffer, we have to do frame buffer one. I think I have to. See. Don't have underscore. Go to D. Doesn't return a result. I'll just copy it. Only thing I don't like with hyprland, I mean with Nix OS, it's just that it's slow. Nix rebuild is slow, Home Manager is slow. This takes a while. Oh, here it is. Okay, now I have interactions. And we have flashes, which should work in theory. When I tested it, I spammed a lot of flashes, like filled this bottom space with like 4 layers, and it worked just fine. I couldn't get it to crash. Enter 0, station FOV. FOV of what? In what degrees? In pixels and degrees? In viewports? What else? Bounding box, bounding quad, strip. Oh, overlay. Overlay it works. I don't usually rebuild often, but when I configure my system with Home Manager, I'm on 250. Oh no, on 300 is in generation already. Delay is huge because I have high latency mode because my stream is buffering infinitely. I can enable low latency. I don't think it will become worse. Video is buffering. It is still buffering because I have full internet. Okay, what we have here? New what? The strip is a polygon strip, triangle strip. New is pan. It's a vertical distance. Why is this word black? I don't know. In imaginary units, in OpenGL units. Okay. New with mode and strip. I like this constructor. I think I'll use triangle fan now. Like shapes that I use actually quite complex, like VS Code one. So I've used custom triangulation algorithm. Here's VS Code. It has this shape. Like I had I think Paris actually has the most complex shape. Like I had problems with rendering, so I switched to custom triangulation from some crate. Okay. Draw mode, points, lines, line strip, line loop, triangles, triangle strip, triangle fan. I don't know what's the difference between triangles and triangle strip. It's like OpenGL ones, but I probably use triangle fan. That's the simplest one. Also new, and I need vertices and texture. What is izip? Iterables. Iterator running multiple iterators in lockstep. Okay, this is like zip in Python. We just need or we can just go through it. Let's do back to dimension. What is a tuple struct? It's actually good. It's actually a good idea. X, Y. Is this a way you do vectors with tuples and stuff? It's actually good. Actually clever for me. Okay, let's do 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Iter into iterator map. Remove closure, collect and texture. Assets. How do I get texture? Oh, I don't have. I have cumulus. Assets, self assets, yes. Again. Hot. What is hot? Like it's loading when I need them. Is my stream buffering infinitely? Probably. I hope it's not impossible to watch. My bitrate is terrible. 97% of frames are dropped. What is terrible stream in your opinion? Terrible quality. Yeah, clear up point. I need a point. Does flat map and iterator unwrap stuff like slice? Position as points, text coordinate this. I wonder what does it have multiplication, division by numbers, by vectors? Like tuple struct is good. Is a good idea. I saw an algebra, the most popular Rust masquerade, having matrix as a base type and it's complex. But it's probably something like this, like XY. I want operations, normalize. Where are all traits? Traits are gone. Add traits, multiply trait. What is hot reloading? Not lazy. Yeah. Why is this? I don't know my chat. Why is this going the wrong way? Like what I want from my assets, it's they bundled into the package itself with a speedy. It's pretty bad. I hope my internet will be fixed soon. With speedy I can include bytes and parse the texture from memory with this, and I like this a lot. Okay, so hot, or what else? Only hot. Manager, collection. You got hot reloading, but you haven't got the normal assets. Whatever. Hot reloading is actually good. It's actually useful, but I haven't used it. Except Flake, Home Manager. Like NixOS is all hot reloaded. Waybar is not. This is why I have a script that restarts all my widgets Cannot multiply by floats. Okay. What I can multiply by? The trade bound, STD borrow, prelude ugly texture is not satisfied. This is the list. Hot.get, human, dispatch types, expected struct, vector 2, found vector 2 of integer. Yeah, should not be integer. Open documentation to check traits. I wish GENG had a good documentation, like full documentation, but doc, it's documenting. Doc GENG, Rust, Oxygen, Java doc, all this stuff. Rust doc is used by proc macros. Can't multiply integer by. I have floats. Oh, it's lagging. Bitrate is terrible. The color. Color is for tinting, I think. Well, for texture vertex. Tinting is frequently present in APIs. There are assets of QV streaming. You wanna say hi? How do I? I have ads in chat. I have no idea how to remove this ad. Guess it will stay. Why is this documenting so much stuff? Stop. I can just check web docs, I think. Assets. This requested crate does not exist. Gang is here. Key asset with one T. Not assets, but asset. Probably use hot load progress. You have progress bars. Well, you have progress, means you can do progress bar, right? Load trait, derive macros trait. Expected vector 2 on type. So you can't do this. That arg. Why is this called arg? Get an angle between the positive direction of the x-axis. Why is this called arg? Aspect ratio. Clamp ABB. This has some good structs. Upload an arbitrary raw file. You usually just use yeah. Like, it's pretty hard. I've disabled delay. Check examples. I saw this in examples. Can I do a vector with one argument? Expand into a 3D vector. Okay. Oh wait, I have one here, right? Or unit. Just unit. No? That's why you need one. That's why you need vector 1. Can't move out, of course borrow. I checked my stream delay, I changed it to low latency. Let's try running this. Without unwrap. No such file or directory. This is because assets is uppercase A, render, bedbox. What is bedbox? Feels like it's just an utility crate for everything. Second standard library. Oh, we have Kiwi Man. We have Kiwi Man in our window. It's from GENG. I have no idea what it's for. Rust. Directory of the main crate. Crates, preload. Battery box, a library containing common stuff. Yeah, just as I said, a second STL. Like it has. It's just not integrate. Run dir. Default. You have default colon default. Just make it shorter by removing one default. A short utility crate. Okay. Text drawing here is a little complicated. But what I liked. Latency check. For me, on my second PC and on my main PC, it's same time. I don't think it's probably because they are connected to the same network, just with different way. So I like this function. It has awful lot of arguments, but that's what I couldn't do with my overlay. For my overlay with speedy2d, I had to make a separate font, which would be a background, which would make an outline. Don't speak. Frame buffer, camera, text, align, transform, color, outline, size, outline, color. Camera, pixel perfect camera. It's just a strap. Okay. It's a nice camera. Just draw text. Split. Here's you. Here's your vector with one line center. Why? So you have text align, and you're constructing a vector out of it. Is it into its clone? Oh, it's vector. Using anything but not a number with vectors is fun. I can't say otherwise. Translation. Transform color, outline size, and outline color. Outline size, is it an optional? No, it's not. Color is not optional either. So, or I don't know what is this. Like, what for is? Is it in pixels? Is it in unit? RGBA. Difference between two states is okay. What we have here? 2vec4 hue, hyperGB, opaque. Oh, max alpha. Okay, that's good. Transparent black, transparent white. Okay, you have transparent black, but why would you need transparent white? Is it for like blending? Okay, let's try black. So type color. So white and black. I have my overlay. E4 is big, but it's not black and black. It's not 4 units. It's not 4 pixels. Well, maybe it is 4 pixels actually. What is it? Also, the letters are a little too close, maybe. Okay, let's try one, and let's try with the white background. I will end up with 0 viewers and like gray. Also, why window hello world on hyprland is floating by default? Is it hello world or is it any window with GENG, made with GENG? You passed a pixel camera, so in pixels. In pixels. Why is it so big then? Okay, so this is 1 pixel. Whatever the camera space is. This is 1 pixel. I saw 4 pixels. And I don't see difference. Outline size, yeah. Maybe it's constraints. 0.2. How do you draw text with outline? Draw with, ugly draw, ugly instance rendering, draw parameters, blend mode, depth function, uniforms, hue dynamic, AABB. How does this work? Glyphs, texture. Oh, it's on draw with. Okay. I think it's a little smaller now. But why? Am I wrong? Am I doing something wrong? It's clearly not 0.2 pixels. Okay, they're always. It is used for draw too. Okay, it's in measure. It measure? Really? Okay, fine. Edition in draw with outline and in create text SDF. What is normal draw then? Like draw to D. Let's go. Triangle fan. Okay. This is small outline, okay. I'm gonna make this a little size map X, what? Frame buffer the size of it. Oh. You have map for vectors? That's interesting. That's what I have never seen in Rust vector libraries. Still uniform. Insert 2 pixels high. Translates. I think add vector 2 x0 y 50 pixels. Maybe it's a little overkill. So FOV. Can I pass a pixel perfect camera here? What will I get? Like this? I can multiply it by 50, I think more. Maybe more. Logging in the background. Expected. Also, I want to check state again, because I have an idea for my overlay. My cube is here. Is migrated. Maybe 0.5 pixels. Okay, we have a small outline, as small as we can't see. Let's make it 5 times bigger. So let's make UV add this. I like rewriting stuff. Power of moved value. Moved. Yeah, I don't need move here because I don't really use anything except frame buffer. I want to check fixed update, delta time, fixed delta time, context options. Okay, it's nice. I wonder what rate I should run if I would use fixed update for my physics. What rate I should run it at so it doesn't crash. These people spamming in chat. Why is he not censored? All worlds. Yeah, right. It's not censored because subtraction later. It's fixed 50 pixels. So it's 100 by 100. Okay, now human is centered. And Hello World has a small outline. Why is it in those weird units? No idea. But it is here. Now I want to try the main thing. I want to try close and reopen this window. I'm not sure if it's possible, but hopefully it is. Would be nice if context options had like with title function. Affected semicolon. In this weird name. Context options. I can import it. No such field. What do you mean? Fixed shader prefix. Also, I've read through hyprland a wiki, and I saw an interesting setting. I need keywords forbidden. Let me try to access folder. GPU must have status bars. Also, hyprland has next section, which is surprising for me. Actually, I don't remember, but there was an option for a shader. A custom shader that will run over your desktop. Which I think is cool. Window op. Window options are window options have title. Oh, they have new with title. That's nice. Does it use window? Registers options. No options. Form after this. Okay, have options. They don't need to be mutable. Order run with options. Have implements static, which title here. Expected borrow. That's good. It's good that it's borrow. Oh, but I want to see him. If I can close a window. This window run. Just function at the end. There is a control flow. There's event close request, but I can't send events. At least I don't think I can. There is finished for task. Main task cooks Windows spawn. Why it's Windows did spawn? Executor. Custom executors. No, it's not custom. How can I terminate the... Oh, wait. Wait. Draw if event dot event key press key R event turn break. Can you just break from it? From this loop. Expected identifier event. What's wrong? Construct literal with parentheses. Expected bool. Oh, let. Keep let. I think. And then turn out that I don't need. No. Okay, key press should break. Let's check if it actually breaks. And if it does, let's try wrapping this in a while loop and hope that it will work. Also, there is a thing called fallback font, which is useful. It works. It's useful for emoji fonts. Like, I don't want to merge them every time I update my fonts or something. That's what I did. Maybe GENG has something like that. GENG has default font. I might need to say docs, not for font, but for GENG. Restarts and it's stopped. Okay, does it just does it just exit? Like it shouldn't just exit. Backend run. Continue break. Yeah, there is a return break, which returns here. Run for gluten backend, gluten init. And I know how init works. Init doesn't, right? Init doesn't just terminate. Oh wait, it does. Init has like a function with like run. Init has another run function which will not return this. I don't remember what this type is called. I think void type. It's not like void in normal languages. People call this never type, and everything after that doesn't work. They do like int line. License doesn't work here, but if I do print line here or something, it will say that it's won't be executed. It won't be warning. Run. There's run and run return. Yeah, this is run return, which will no, move closure and returns control flow. Surface glass is not perfect replacement for full lens. For example, expansion will not return windows for meter silence. Will be encouraged to use run unless the use of this is absolutely necessary. But from specific, this function turns 1 upon disconnection from the display server. I need this in GENG. This probably won't be implemented, but it's really useful. Just give them a stream. Can we ask them? Can we ask Human to implement this? Why it shows me this? I have 20k. Right, yeah. I want to use it for my overall.
New. Yeah, you can.
The never type is the real void type. Void with capital V. Bottom type. Rust has algebraic types. As explained in some Stack Overflow posts that I posted when QVman was making effect system or something with the text system. This only this only possible in and this. Why is it sticker? It's just sticker issue. Sticker of the emoji, BTTV emoji. The internet is poor. For sending this. Should I really just watch streams, check my internet speed, and stream at the same time? 0, that's my internet speed, right? Okay, that's bad. But that's probably it. How can I stream with 200 kilobits per second? No way this is real. No way. Just fell to 0. Okay, let's try Volt hack. I'll turn on 160p.
Making. Does that count as surfing?
I'll say that I'm only listening because I am. I can see.
Because you need like the waves, the big waves, to do the surfing properly, right? We don't have that because, I mean, places you do, but it's called parasurfing. I say that counts, alright. I tried GENG, I want to use it for my overlay, but if you want it to be if I want it to be interactive, I will need to reopen the window. It's only possible if you implement this.
Actually, maybe.
Run return.
Ooh,
Why do you need to reopen the window? It doesn't make sense.
Reopening a
Because you
window
want to change the interactivity?
is
Or what?
necessary to reload.
Did the level index so player knows what level it is. We want the level index so player knows what level it is. The preview isn't. Hard to tell, two levels are different when you only see the preview.
Reload unknown
Hold wake surfing, power surfing, surfing better for disabled people.
and rules. And we
So what about the level index being, instead of the index, the icon? Do you remember that stuff? That we had?
Reopening window is necessary to reload non-dynamic hyperland window rules. Maybe it's pull request time?
What if we use that?
I'm looking at my bitrate. This graph is kind of too red. $1,100.
Oh wait, David just pushed something. Oh, not pushed. A goal that doesn't require current rotation. To kind of name the level. Yeah, the icons, we already had it, right? The instead of it being 1, 2, 3, we want our own secret code, because I think it is going to look better if we use these numbers, right? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, 7, 8.
What are those numbers?
9, 10.
One question.
Right? But if you use this, is there going to be a
chat, please?
group with more than... The opening window is necessary to reload dynamic hyperland window rules.
Maybe a pull request stream today, right now.
Why don't you make them dynamic hyperland window rules?
I can't.
Looks like an issue in hyperland, not in GENG.
Hyperland doesn't. Hyperland has some rules, static, some dynamic. I think I'll do a hyperland, a pull request stream today.
Okay. The problem with those symbols is they don't communicate well for player. When you see level 1, you know exactly you are in the level selection screen.
Talking to people is hard. Why is it buffering? I don't want it. My stream is probably buffering and even worse.
When you see text, level 1, okay, level 1. I mean, hold on.
Let's go to GitHub.
This is but these are the numbers, right? It's just a little bit
Engine. What
of
repos have
a puzzle
GENG
and figure out
have?
these numbers.
How do I make a pull request
but it would be
for
exactly
a
the same,
game
no?
engine that consists of 30 crates, more crates? How many crates is this? Stop just
So where are we
splitting.
supposed to have these numbers? So you want two things. So the world text in the bottom of the selection screen. So what is the current world? The worlds are going to be numbered or what?
I can I can stream and watch the stream at the same time.
And then the level index on the
Maybe I'll rate Caveman if I want stream longer. My internet speed is terrible. 97% of frames is dropped due to network. Like my streams are normally 3 gigabytes per hour. Today an hour like 100 megabytes stream. Rodeo, fork, GENG template, Bevy. Okay. ECS, another ECS, cargo APK. Probably trying to compile GENG for Android. I think I should fork only this one. It's so slow. I was wondering why music doesn't play. This is why. What is 720? Downgrade. A little downgrade. 5 times less. The music is back. Maybe less quality, but it's back. Is this stream boring? The Lobs haven't sent this message in a while. Like 5 messages are already in. Will it break? This is happening because I don't have fixed update. At least it didn't break. I see 6 repositories. There's 7. We create a fork. I want a fork. Yeah. Copy the main branch only. Which branches does it have? Which branches does it have? Like update 13 minutes ago. But I don't know, this played 3 gigabytes of files of links yesterday, and you updated it so recently. A minute upgrade, wasn't Bingren, split crate, repdog, Pong, files Pong here, GH pages, GitHub pages, ECS no unsafe, drawable, async. Was async branch merged? Modify them all at the same time if you want to. I feel like stream delay is terrible if you're saying this now. I really need to fix this. to message my internet provider. Actually, can do this. Yeah, what have you changed in play? Say sync branch. Have you changed in the sync branch? Sync on this. Just clicking randomly. Finish async stuff. At least it compiles. I remember this message. I think Kuman merged it. Handle event, key down, key press. Touch simulator. GENG debug overlay, touch simulator. What does debug overlay have with touch simulator? Well, I'm not sure what touch simulator is. Mouse down, mouse release. Mouse down, mouse up, no mouse press and mouse release. Mouse down is now mouse release. Lobby, net simple lobby. Does GENG have tools for multiplayer? Handle events. What changed? Whatever. I don't think I need another branch on the master, so let's wait for it to fork. I forked grade one time in my entire life. This was with Speedy. Just like forking and modifying graphics libraries, because I made my own way back when I was using C++. They don't want to make another one. Flake updates. Flake updates 17 minutes ago. Better flakes number 8. Some warnings. Flake.log. Oh, this doesn't really matter. Okay, so I have infinite coder /game. As you can tell, this is now my repo. I can fork, I can do whatever I want with my fork. I can think it contribute not ahead of the upstream. Do I create a separate branch in my fork, or do I work in master in my fork? I think I want to work with master. Where am I? Internet provider haven't answered yet. Libraries. Yeah, I think most of my forks are here. TLS. This clone will take a long time. I hope my download speed is terrible. They continue streaming. should just end the stream. The stream is already longer than most of my streams. And it haven't crashed yet. Like two of my previous streams crashed for some reason, and I haven't uploaded either one to YouTube, but to upload them I would need to glue them together, and this is just annoying. I don't see such issues with Hyprland. Hyprland is nice. It has its own protocol. Like, not its own protocol, it has Wayland, but Wayland standards differ, as they say, and they have repo of their protocol. Global events unsupported. Oh, my bitrate is high. I'm not sure if it's just an accident on the internet provider. Yay. Back to track now. Internet is back. And it should be good now. This means that I will clone repo faster. Like 3 times the speed I had. 4 times the speed I had. Almost 4 times the speed I had. It's still low. Is this at higher than 200 kilobits per second? This is higher. Powered by Netflix. Speed test powered by Netflix. Okay, we have a 96% received. That's why having all crates in one repo is kinda bad, because I have to clone all of them, not just one of them. But I need to modify. In most forks, which are small features, or just most forks that cover one theme, you just need to modify one crate. I have second VS Code open. Okay. 5. What do I need to modify? GENG, advertising state, audio, camera, network. Network stock shader, state, texture atlas, UI, window. I think this one. Engineering backend, routing we need 2 crates. Notification of him went live now. Okay, so there is a run. What I wanted to do is context options. Again, main create source context rs. I want to put what reload is a boolean. Wanted to say function. So run return is a boolean now. By default it's false, and then I will be able to specify this. I'll get to integrating this in a minute. Now about window. Resume run options. It should be in window options actually. Not in context. We can go to window options, which are here. CLI arcs. Again, Windows CLI arcs. PC. Oh, is it for all applications? Interesting. Okay, new is CLI. I want a public run return, which is boolean. Optimizer is because it doesn't have DRAM. It doesn't have DRAM. It does. So I need to load environment is blocked. Allow. Of course allow it. Oh. Notification. I'm just DRAM. What's wrong? In Rust Analyzer, I saw Rust Analyzer not in like flakes. Oh. Okay, run return. Run return by default is true. No, it's false by default. It's true. No, it's false. Yes, so this. Window options. Run return true. Title string home. This I can do default. Just default. Okay. Never. I need to use. Errors. Now my internet speed is high, but now Rust will lag my PC. Mentioned bitrate graph, and it's just a step up. Things due to encoding. Wow. It's I'm still just listening only. Fix this wait. Wow, that's slow. Stop it. Stop server. Did Rust Analyzer just decided to analyze all static rates and request all my core? Okay, this shouldn't lag anymore. Pure Nix shell and not again. Oh, 96% of RAM. Why? Yay. How do I kill all Rust analyzers? It doesn't help. 99. That's how all crashes go. That's how all crashes might started. Is AUX regime analyzer. Wait, so high. If we kill Rust, oops. Can you just kill it? Yay, this is now a little shorter. It's still here. My CPU is fine. RAM is fine. Now this should be fine. You say Vim took all your RAM. Look at VS Code. Did the same thing, maybe even worse. This is still my second PC got red because it's old. It has bad monitor cables. Text is GENG. I need a backend run. Options. Options are here. Still slow for some reason. Oh, not again. Rust Analyzer. Who started? Top server. Okay. RAM and CPU usage. You can go down twice. Just ever resume. If handler, I have handler separately. Handler and here if options run return else normal run. Okay, format this manually because Rust Analyzer eats everything. Run a return. This is same thing. It just returns different. Web. I have to implement this for web, right? JavaScript. Is it included somewhere in here or why loading? Why? Why? Rust Analyzer. I don't even use Rust Analyzer. I've terminated all Rust Analyzer processes. No Rust Analyzer here. In a web run. Create converts and context. Okay, run. I have run here. Does web run event handler like lifetime grab events? Okay, let's say it just doesn't support this. Or run that experiments. So do I panic? Options around return. Return is run return is not supported for web backend. Exclamation mark. Okay, let's try it out. Let's do this. Locally first. Okay, please don't start Rust Analyzer. Don't kill my system. Okay, Rust Analyzer stopped. Rust Analyzer is stopped. Okay. Let's just run this 2 times. ZSH is slow. Okay, let's open Carbo Promo and say again. Instead of this, I'll do pass, I think, equals that's the global one. Release again. Here. Okay. Okay, this is fine. This should be fine. What else? What else? Killing my CPU. Probably my RAM. My RAM usage is too high. My RAM usage is too high. Doing stuff. This should, in theory, this should be it. Only can I limit core count or job count or whatever. Color white verbose explain code. List version verbose white color when. E of frozen locked offline config unstable. We can't just limit CPU usage build. Why is this so slow? Why is my RAM usage is so high? What is CPU usage? Shell dash pb top. Have it installed. I should have it in cache. What can I see here? CPU is maxing. This is terrible. Let's say 74 degrees. Memory is fine. My CPU is dying. OBS uses a lot, and Rust uses a lot. Okay, so this is CPU. This is RAM. This is CPU. So I'm just changing my waybar again and again. Okay, this should cargo help build radio page, maybe target manifest build plan. These features default features. Keep going. Don't abort the build as soon as there is an error. Here, jobs. Number of parallel jobs. Yay. There's jobs. Not help, there's jobs. Build, there's jobs. What's wrong? Build load. There's multi Rust. What's wrong with me? Rust. Rust libraries. Again. Oh, flakes again, right? It's a great game. Building. Okay, it's building right packages. That's good. That's good. Okay, we got an error because I need this use here. or where? Here. Here run return requires event loop extension run return. It should work now. It doesn't. Control flow type. Explicit. Requires explicit type. Oh. Yeah, let's see. Run return handler that is a function. Takes event loop window target and control flow mutable reference. Why mutable reference? Run. Same thing. Okay. I think I just need something like this, but I'm not sure. Does it require full type? Oh wait. Okay, it does. Mutable control. Does it require qualification? Yes, it does. We need event loop control flow. Where is it? We need event loop control flow. I'm streaming for 2 hours now. That's long. Is more general than other. Okay. Build failed. Use moved value options first. It has options.clone. Move here. Yeah. Use moved value options. 196. Oh. Run and return. Left run and return. Mismatched types. One type is more general than other. Function use not expected. Right, left click, wrong key, right click, okay. Expected. Expected lifetimes, lifetime A font, lifetime any, lifetime A. Okay, let's just copy this over. For lifetime A, B, and C. Event equals and not equals just event of lifetime A template. I don't know where this template is coming from. Options once ready. Event loop of nothing, so events should be same. Yeah, required. Considers fine. Yeah, let's copy this. Let handler. Let's just straight up copy this. One type is more general than others. This closure does not fulfill the lifetime requirements. No, the closure expected trait for A, B, and C. Function event of A. Borrow of B. Event of A. Borrow here of B. Here. And type A. Borrow here of type window target of type borrow B, lifetime B. This control files lifetime C. Or is here. Implicit types and closure signatures are forbidden. Okay, fine. What do you want? Event loop window target. I think should be a unit. Fixing spaces. Should work now, right? Or is here. Implicit types. Where do you see implicit types? I don't see implicit types here. Error. Cannot find type. Okay. We can take this type. Then it should work. It's probably already not formatted the right way. Whatever. Or binders for closures are experiment. Why would you do this to me? I'm cheating. Whatever you want, I'm cheating. Straight up cheating. I don't care. Value used after move. Where do you see move? Options done to command. Let options equals options long. Run return plus options run return. This reminds me of drift reset. Just one word. I guess 2 words. Help consider changing event oh, I can do this here. Let compute event loop equals event. That's how I do stuff. Okay, now it builds. OBJ, wonder. Does GENG support cool 3D stuff? Well, I haven't. No, I have seen the game. Seen the game again. I guess it's actually a game engine, not a library. Warning unused variable. To do is unused variable. Failed to resolve. Use for declared default. That's my default. And I mistyped it. Of course I have. Let's go now. What? The trade bound window options before. Yeah, I can enable Rust Analyzer now. I think. No, it will build again everything. No. It's just 43% of CPU usage. We have needs. Shouldn't be too hard, right? Intensive, right? Comma. Can't use a comma. Okay. Here. Indexing. Yeah, Rust Analyzer, sorry. Stop. Stop killing me. Again, generated one warning. That's Kierman's fault. I can't just change this in my pull request. Because this pull request is about run return. Not about fixing warnings. Like one warning. You did a warning fix commit like a week ago. Why is this not fixed? Okay, it compiled. No, it finished building. I guess it means that it compiled. And if I run now, it's initialized. I can close it. Panicked at creating event loop multiple times. It's not supported. Yes, that was the problem with Speedy when I tried to contribute to it. Is Kierman still live? It's my overlay, so oh, it's because waybar is above my overlay. I need recent. I need GENG. Open. The human is still live. I guess I'll end here. I'm tired. I need to wake up my second PC. I need to change. The human is still live. I guess I'll end here. None. I'm tired. One viewer is watching me right now. I don't know who it is, if it's real. Thank you for sticking out. I need a nice change. We need to wait 10 more seconds. I guess I'll end this raid. None. I'm tired. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye. 1